Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn a gouache landscape. I have taken a 300 GSM paper and masked it to the table. These are my gouache paints, water bowl and a mixing palette. I'm going to take blue and white and mix it in my mixing palette. We're going to use this color and shades of this color for our background. To give you a little information on gouache, gouache is an opaque form of color. It is in between watercolor and acrylics. As these are opaque, we use minimum water to blend colors and to apply them on paper. As you can see, I have used different shades of blue. If you do not have so many shades, you can keep adding white to get the lighter tone and add a little black to get the darker tone. We use more paint and very little water to merge or blend the colors on paper. We will now take brown and make the branches of the tree. I will show you a couple of them and you can repeat the same procedure to make as many branches as you like. We will now take white color and directly apply it to the paper. This way, we will be creating snow on our branches. Repeat the technique on as many branches as you like to have the snow. Directly take white and apply it on the branches, just like I am doing. Once done, blow dry the edges of the page and peel off the masking tape slowly. Peel off the masking tape in the outward direction. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this gouache landscape. Thank you for joining me. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out a notification.